Hey, it's Gina with WTI. If you're looking for a great skincare routine, then you should check out this line from doTerra. I've been using this for a few years now, and I love how it is helping to keep my skin healthy and my complexion clear. I'm someone who doesn't wear a lot of heavy makeup. I like a more natural look, and having healthy skin is so important so that you can carry off that look without a lot of foundation or other covering agents. This pore reducing toner has been so effective in keeping my skin clean, clear for applying serums and moisturizer. It has a really pleasing scent to it with lavender, ylang ylang, and German chamomile essential oils. These are really high quality oils and are not stinky at all. It definitely is lavender forward, and I find that to be so relaxing. With consistent use, I've seen that this has helped to reduce the appearance of my pores and is just really nice to use on an everyday basis. But that's just my point of view.